If you want to print from Chrome, this video will walk you through the entire process step by step in a simple and fast way. Whether you're printing a web page, a document, an image, or a PDF, Chrome makes it easy to open the print menu and customize your settings before you print. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy tech guides just like this. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, go to the web page, document, image, or PDF that you want to print. This is the content that will be sent to your printer or saved as a printable file, so make sure the correct page is loaded before you continue. Now look at the top right corner of the Chrome window. You'll see the three dots menu. Click on that menu to open the browser options. From the drop-down list, select Print. This will open the Chrome print window where you can review and adjust everything before sending it to print. If you want a quicker method, you can also use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl and P on Windows. This instantly opens the print window without needing to go through the menu. It's a great shortcut to remember if you print from Chrome often. Once the print window opens, go to the destination section. Here you can choose where the print job will go. In this tutorial, select Microsoft Print to PDF if you want to save the page as a PDF instead of printing it on paper. If you have a physical printer connected, you can choose that printer here instead. This is one of the most important settings, so double check it before moving on. Next, customize your print options. Click on More Settings to open additional choices. Here you can change the number of copies, select which pages to print, choose color or black and white, adjust the paper size, and switch the layout between portrait and landscape. These options give you full control over how your final print will look. Take a moment to review everything carefully. Make sure the destination is correct, the pages are right, and the layout looks the way you want it to. If something looks off, now is the best time to fix it before printing. When everything looks correct, click Print. Chrome will now send the page to your selected printer or save it as a PDF, depending on the destination you chose. That's it. You've successfully printed from Chrome. If this video helped you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick and useful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.